Boom guys, are you planning to upgrade your wheels in Jimny? There's so many misleading ideas in the media right now. If you're following them and then plan to upgrade the tires, you're killing your Jimny. Stay tuned, follow me, I'll tell you what. So the whole wheel is made of the rim and the tire. Now pay close attention here. It's written 195/80 by R115. The 15 is the size of the rim, right? And 195/80, that's the ratio, will give you the height of the whole tire. Now the height of the tire will determine the sidewall. So what is the sidewall? The sidewall is including the 2 mm of your rim to the height, the maximum height of your tire on one side. So larger the sidewall, right? The tire size, the longer the footprint. The footprint is actually the length of your tire, not the width. Okay, the more length you have, the more footprint you have, that's the contact with the surface will give you more traction, and your driving, your balance would be even better. Most of the modifications that we are see in YouTube is increasement of not the whole wheel but the rim size, from 15 to going to 16, 17, even 18. Now what does this do? Actually, is it good? What's the pros and what's the con? The pros are, it looks good. That's it. Stop there. The least of the cons goes on and on and on. So we're gonna highlight few of these here. Number one, it's very expensive to your pocket. Number two would be, now let's say this is 15 size rim. Now you increase to 2 more size, that is 17 inches. So let's see, you go 2 more inches. So with the same wheel, the height of, with the same tire, that is, the height of the wheel will increase and reach up to here. So if you go off-roading, get a bump, most probably this tire will be hitting the underside here. See? And as I said, increasing the rim size will only have one pros that I can think of. Pro, that is, it will look good. That's it. After that, the least of the cons goes on. Number one, the mileage will go down. So another dent in your pocket. Number two, your car, right, Jimny, will be unbalanced. Number three, it's not going to do anything with your footprint, because rim has nothing to do with your footprint. Rather, when you have a 17-inch wheel, I mean the 17-inch rim, you might need to decrease the size of the tire so that it doesn't bump when you're going off-roading or you hit a pothole or something like that. Now, decreasing the size of the tire will, of course, now you know where I'm getting, decrease the size of the footprint, right? Smaller footprint means less grip, less tension. So, is it worth it? Of course, it looks good. It's not worth it at all. So, does it mean that you gotta stay with a stock tire? Of course not. I'll show you why. And what you should do. What's the best for your Jimny? How you can get a better performance from Jimny. So as I was saying earlier, if you increase the size of the rim by 2 inches, it will hit, when you hit the bumps, the tire will hit the underside, right? If you don't want that, you'll have to lift off your car. That's more unbalanced, more expenses, and so on and so forth. Then what do you want to do? The two things you want to do if you want to get a better performance is make sure you have the rim stay the same. The rim should stay the same size, that is 15. Now you can increase the size of the tire. The tire size will increase, means the sidewall increases and your footprint increases. So more grip, more traction and better driving. So what you want to do is that keep the 15 intact, increase the size 195 to maximum. I would suggest go to 215 and the ratio 80 should stay the same. I'll tell you something else. If you go to 215 and the ratio is something like 60 here, actually the height of the tire will decrease and the sidewall will also decrease. So you have to take it out, guys. You need to upgrade your tires to all-terrain tires. The wheelbase, the rim should stay the same, R15, that's it. The ratio should stay the same, 80. You increase 195 to 215 max. That will give you the good looks as well as good performance. Forget about all those nonsense that you see in the media. 235, 70, R15, 225, 65, R15. These are just bullshit. Follow this and you will do great. Thank you for watching.